Sir, everybody's waiting for word on kailan talaga magsasampa ng demanda. What I understand from your statement nung Friday was that you're looking at 5 cases to be filed possibly by middle of December against DPWH officials. I think that's what you said in the Senate. But I suppose a lot of people are also waiting for whether or not you're also filing cases against people in the legislature, whether congressmen or senators.
Yes, Attorney, anong relasyon dyan nung ginagawa nyo dun sa ombudsman na sabi kagabi ay sasampahan niya yung kaso specific na mga senador, specific na mga kongresista at specific na mga kontraktor at saka tiga DPWH sa December 15? Kamusta ba yung coordination nyo dyan sa sinabi ni Ombudsman Remulla kagabi?
Yes, sir. I'll first address the question that was raised by Sir Ed. It's correct po, yung sinabi ko po nung Friday during the hearing that we have 5 cases which we are investigating now. These are ghost projects, flood control projects involving DPWH officials from Bulacan District 1. And this is undergoing preliminary investigation right now. Hindi po natin sinasabi na nililimita natin yung ating investigasyon dito lamang sa mga opisyal ng DPWH. Nagkataon lamang po na sa ngayon, wala pa po talagang ebidensya kami na hawak, no, na maglilink doon sa mga proponent from the DPWH officials. We also have to also consider na if you look at the whole story, meron ho talagang involvement yan from down, which is DPWH, from the bidding, all the way up to the proponent. But pag titingnan po rin natin, meron na pong mga offenses or crimes na sa tingin namin na-consummate even from the level ng DPWH. Kaya inuna na namin isampa ito without prejudice to the results of the evidence gathering that we're doing now insofar as others who are involved. This includes proponents.
Wala pang ebidensyang hawak kayo na magli-link sa proponents sa mga DPWH officials. I think that's what I heard you say. Yung sinabi po nila dun sa, under oath dun sa Kongreso at Senado where they were basically testifying against self-interest and linking all these other legislators. Hindi pa ho yun tatayo sa isang kaso?
Well, sir, if you're asking me if it is considered or it may be considered as evidence, yes, it may be considered as evidence. But the question is it sufficient to meet the quantum of evidence to get a conviction, which is proof beyond reasonable doubt? Kaya po ang ginagawa po ng department ngayon, hindi po basta lamang na dahil may binanggit na pangalan, sampahan na kaagad natin ang kaso. Dahil even all these revelations, even all these disclosures made in statements are still subject to validation. And it has to be accompanied by something that can corroborate it. Para pagdating po sa husgado, mas matibay po yung tayo ng kaso. Hindi lamang po siya for the purpose of filing, but it's something that can withstand the rigors of trial and kaya po nating abutin hanggang dulo na meron pong maparusahan at meron pong ma-hold accountable.